In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. This is really helpful when you're working on something sensitive, like performance reviews, budgeting, or early stage planning that you don't want everyone in your workspace to see. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means, so you feel confident your project is only visible to the right people. First, open Asana and head to the project you want to make private. You can do this from your sidebar, your favorites, or your recent projects list. Go ahead and click on the project name to open it. Make sure you're actually inside the project, not just looking at a portfolio or a list of projects, because the privacy settings are tied to the specific project itself. Once your project is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Share button. This is usually near the project title, in the upper area of the interface. Click on Share. This is where Asana lets you see who currently has access and how the project is shared across your team or organization. A sharing window or panel will appear. In this panel, look for a small arrow or drop-down icon next to the current visibility setting. It might say something like public to team, or it may already show some kind of access level. Click on that arrow. This opens up a list of privacy options you can choose from. From the list of options, select private to members. This setting means that only the people who are explicitly added as members of this project will be able to see it. It won't show up to the rest of your team by default, and it won't be visible to people just browsing around your workspace. After you click Private to Members, Asana may briefly show a confirmation, or the label next to the project will update to reflect the new privacy level. Take a second to review who the project members are while you're still in the Share panel. If there's anyone who shouldn't have access, you can remove them here, and if you need to add specific collaborators, you can invite them by name or email. When you're done, close the